Every guard in the city is looking for you. Congratulations on your discretion.
I stepped on a big roach. Unfortunately, it turns out it was their idol.
Thanks to you, the airships are confined to docks. All takeoffs are forbidden. They're searching them one by one, and they'll find you if you stay here.
You gotta help me get out of here. I kept my part of the bargain.
I haven't forgotten, Styx. Take off your clothes and get in this cage.
Thanks for the offer, but you're not really my type.
I've heard the goblin prison leads to Wilderan, the hunter's village, at the foot of Korengar. I can use my uniform to get you in there, and help you find your way to the outside.
Oh, great idea. Stark naked in a place filled with guards. You come up with that on your own?
Listen to me. If you want to get out, it's your only option. From the prison command post, I could open a passage for you to the free world. And as for your equipment, I'll put it in the chest. That will allow you to escape to Wilderan.
Sounds like a horrible plan. So let's do it. It's not like I got any better ideas.
Lisseril is looking for a talking goblin. You think it's this one?
I doubt it. Can you talk, you stupid green turd? No, doesn't seem to.
Okay then, you can toss it down the hole.
Stupid green turd? Really?
See you later, stupid turd.
Keep in line, scum! Keep it moving there!
Sand! So this is where all those goblins end up. A little cold and charming, just like its inhabitants. I wonder what's going on behind this gate. Oh, nobody told me it was gonna be that kind of a party. Interesting. Actually, I don't think I want to know. Glad to be getting the hell out of here. One look at that purgatory and I suddenly want to live forever. Well, Haledrin should be in the command post she talked about. I better watch my step. Slightest alarm goes off and that bitch will leave without me. An elite soldier guarding a plain door? They should have just put a sign on it saying, "Keep out, hidden loot." She has the keys right there on her belt. It's almost too easy. Eledrin! Is that you?
Guess. I'll put your stuff in a chest. It's on the barge that links the prison and Wilderan. That barge is your way out.
Wilderan? The village of the goblin hunters? You've got to be kidding, right?
Don't tell me you're scared of dwarves. But once you've got an opponent your own size.
Now that I'm out of that mess, I still have to find the boarding zone. The smell of sulfur, vials, herbs, probably an alchemist elf. Damn, I wish I had more pockets.
Ambuscade!
That is just... Ooh, some pure quartz. Come to Papa. Some pure quartz for good old Styx. I think I'm suffering from acute collectionitis.
Do you know if they found the killer of Lakima? Our late lamented queen of the Eyeless?
Not yet, but we will. You can be sure of that. That talking goblin will soon reach the end of its loathsome life.
It may jeopardize the agreement that Lysrel is negotiating. Without quartz, we cannot supply weapons to the other races.
Finally, here we are. The little boat Eledrin talked about. All my stuff must be in the chest. I'll have to keep it down low if I want to get on board. All I gotta do is hide in the chest and wait to be transported to my destination. That reminds me of something.
Bringing a troll to try and sell to the elves. What a shit idea. Well, they paid plenty for goblins, so I thought they'd be more for trolls. What do you think?
sure stinks in here. Ledrin, you need to wash those socks more often, girl. Lovely gear. I missed you so. I never been big on nudity. And it's got nothing to do with the size of my blade. Good. Let's get out of here quick. I can't wait to breathe some fucking fresh air. Wars. Great. Talk about your perfect escape routes. Get into Thoban by boat or airship. Well, I get airsick and seasick too, so it's gonna be multicolored fun either way. There's an airship from Thoban berthed at this loading dock. Talk about a lucky break. Ah, shit. Dwarf. That's all I needed. Uh-oh, better be careful. He can smell me 1,000 miles away with that huge honker. And it's clear he doesn't like goblins much. Going back to Thoban. Airsick or seasick? I just can't decide. Formula for an odor-concealing potion. Could be very useful for slipping under the noses of these damn dwarfs. Literally. ownership title of an airship in the name of Ephraim Fisher? Well, that old scumbag. What's he doing in Wilderan? This document could prove useful. Yeah, he's completely shit-faced. He'll help me to get to where I need to go later once he sobers up.
Without me, it's stuck here. Impossible for these rookies to get through the reefs.
Seems a shame to try and hide such a lovely smell. Ugh. I'll never get used to that.
Well, the captain is still trying to sleep it off in the suite at the inn. We wait till he crawls back.
Come take a look.
And then
You could ring my bell.
Right now. Give me my caps.
Shut up if you don't want me to throw you over the cliff. I'm in trouble. Farewell and adieu to a place filled with cranes. Farewell and adieu, back to Tobin I'm bound. I'd rather be buried in shit up to my nipples than spend one more second in this shithole town.